Disclaimer. I am not CB registered. The information provided here is for education purposes only. I will not be responsible for any of your profit loss with this channel suggestions. Consult your financial advisor before taking any decisions. Everest Kanto cylinder, current market price, 143, target price, 300. Time frame, 18 months. About the company. Additional 4 lakh brownfield capacity over and above the earlier announced 2 lakh greenfield paves way for strong growth phase beginning H2 FY23. Industry tailwinds remain strong. Times revenue came at 421 crore rupees, plus 26% QoQ, plus 71% YoY. Times India revenue came at 303 crore rupees, plus 58%, UAE at 70 crore rupees, plus 133%, and US at 49 crore rupees, plus 84%. Times EBITDA margin came at 26.5% versus QoQ 26.4%, YoY 17.7%. Co was able to pass on increase in RM costs. Times company is confident of delivering sustainable margins of 22 to 24% and 27 to 29% on standalone basis going forward. Times major growth over last 5 years has come from CNG, auto, and this will continue. Split between CNG, auto, and industrial is at 60-40. CNG share will keep rising as new capacities are being put up with CNG in mind. Times CNG has higher margins. Times industrial demand is mainly dependent on fire equipment systems, medical, space and defense. Times EKC competes with 5 to 6 costs like Rama cylinders, JFE, FJM, Euro. EKC has the largest capacity in India with a 50% market share. Times life of a cylinder is 15 to 20 years. Times company sources raw material steel from China and is not facing any constraints. Times company is planning to repay the promoter loan within a year. Times debt reduced from 203 crore rupees in March 2021 to 131 crore rupees in September 2021. Co should be debt-free in FY23 and thus interest cost shall decline accordingly. India business. Times company has proposed a new brownfield expansion of 4 lakhs cylinders by adding new manufacturing lines within its current locations, Tarapur and Kandala, with investment of 35 crore rupees financed completely from internal accruals and to be executed over the next 8 months, commercialization by July 2023. Co expects additional revenue of 300 crore rupees from this brownfield expansion. Times the above is in addition to the greenfield capacity of 200,000 cylinders that the Co is pursuing in parallel. This 2 lakhs cylinders capacity will have potential to generate revenue of 200 crore rupees at a new greenfield facility in Gujarat which will cost 45 crore and will be funded by internal accruals. The facility will come up in 3 phases of which the first phase will complete in FY24, will take 18 months. Times thus current 7 lakhs 17,000 cylinder capacity will increase to 13 lakhs 17,000 in coming years. Domestic industry tailwinds. Times India's natural gas consumption is targeted to rise over the next decade from 170 MMSCMD to 600 MMSCMD. Times the government aims to add 100 districts and 9K CNG stations in coming years to the city gas distribution network which should further accelerate the pace of adoption of gas as a fuel. Thus CNG stations will increase from current 2K to 11K by 2030. Times government has launched hydrogen energy mission for generating hydrogen from green power. It is expected that demand for hydrogen cylinder will increase once trials are successful. UAE business. Company is targeting a growing number of emerging markets such as Egypt, other African countries, and South America. Hungary business. Times plans in Hungary are moving forward and Co sees local production in EU allowing deeper access to this large market in the coming years. Times company is working on expansion of 2 lakhs cylinders in Hungary. It shall complete in next 18 months, by July 2023. times total capex required will be 134 crore rupees. EKC will invest 20 crore rupees. Government of Hungary will provide an incentive of 4.8 million euros and remaining would be funded via debt. US business times the recent announcements around infrastructure investments shall open new areas of expansion. Times utilization was at 40% in the QTR. Share is trading at PE of 7.6x TTM EPS. Expected medium-term target direct hit to 80/390+.
சேனலை லைக், ஷேர் மற்றும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் மூலம் உங்கள் ஆதரவை பகிரவும்.